Hello, traders and followers. This is free Forex training for all. Are you someone who is interested in learning Forex? Then this video is made for you. We're going to teach you everything you need to know about Forex, right down from start to finish. Okay? So, free Forex training for all. Now, let me ask you these questions, okay? The very first question I want to ask you is this. Now, listen. Are you a new trader who wants to learn Forex? Are you looking for a place where you can learn Forex from start to finish? Are you looking for a mentor who will walk you throughout the whole Forex journey step by step? Then this page or channel is your last stop. Did you hear me? This page is your last stop. Now, let me introduce myself. My name is Ligan Kofi Simon, but call me Kofi. I'm a Forex trader with 4 years of experience. I started trading since 2017 till date. I'm a professional journalist from Ghana. That is my profession. But aside that, what I do is Forex, okay? My goal is to teach you Forex, both the practicals and theory. I have a YouTube channel, and you can go check it out, Leading Forex on YouTube. And I also have a Facebook page, which is also Leading Forex on Facebook, okay? Now, if you want one-on-one coaching or mentorship, aside watching this video, if you want one-on-one coaching or mentorship, you can reach out to me on these platforms. On Telegram, you can search for me at Kofi Dollar on Telegram. Email leadingforexgh@gmail.com. By phone, if you want to place a call, then you can call me through this number, +233 246 136609. If you want to send me a message on WhatsApp, it is the same number, +233 246 136609. That is, if you want one-on-one coaching or mentorship, you can reach out to me through this following means. All right. Now, let's begin what I have for you. This is Forex training, and we are beginning from the scratch. And like I said, we're going to teach you both the theory and the practicals. But my focus is going to be more on the practicals, because it is the practical aspect that is going to make you the money. That is where you can sit behind your phone or your laptop or whatsoever device you use in order to make money. So the practical section is my ultimate aim. But you certainly will need the theory aspect in order to add up to what you're going to do, okay? So let's begin. Today, we shall talk about platforms or softwares or apps used for Forex trading. We have 3 types of softwares, and I'm going to talk about them. The first one we shall look at is MetaTrader 4, also known as MT4. Now, this software is designed by a company known as MetaQuotes. They have designed this MT4 platform or MetaTrader 4 platform, which is used by traders to trade the Forex market. We also have a platform known as MetaTrader 5, which is also designed by the MetaQuotes company. So Meta 4 is there, Meta 5 is also there. So the Meta 4 is called MT4. The Meta 5 is also called MT5. Now, aside these 2 popular platforms, we also have some custom platforms designed by brokers. We have custom platforms designed by brokers. So you might join a broker. I may explain what a broker is, but for now, just take it that way, that a custom platform designed by a broker. A broker is a company through which you will trade the Forex market, okay? So that is what it is. That is the basic understanding I'll give you for now, but we will go into details later with brokers. So there are companies through whom or through which we trade the forex market. So some of these companies also design their personal or custom platforms, which is not MetaTrader 4 or 5. They have their personal platforms, which you can use to trade the forex market. Okay. Now, let me talk a bit about this MetaTrader 4 and 5. When it comes to MetaTrader 4 and 5, we have different versions. We have the mobile version, we have the web version, and then we have the PC version. The mobile version, you can use it if you are using an iOS phone, which is an Apple phone or an iPhone. You can get the mobile version on it. If you are using an Android phone or Windows phone, you can get a mobile version on it. The same way we have the web version that you can use. We also have the PC version or the laptop version. All these versions are there. But maybe in the near future, we might have other versions. Who knows? Technology is evolving. So maybe in the near future, we may have other versions. But for now, we have the mobile version, which you can download on your mobile phone. And we have the web version, and then the PC version or the laptop version. So any of these versions you can use to trade, which is the MT4, MT5. Do you get it? Good. Now, back to the custom platform designed by brokers. They are also there. Each broker and their platform. There are some brokers who do not have platforms, but they recommend you to use MT4 or MT5. Now, take note. The MT4, MT5 is the commonest platforms used, and most brokers across the world use them. They allow their clients to trade using MT4 or MT5. And again, let me say that the MT4 or MT5 is the standard and recommended platform by the forex regulatory bodies. We have companies or institutions that regulate the forex business, the forex market. So those institutions, the platforms they recommend for you to use for forex trading is either the MT4 or MT5. And that is how come most of the platforms or most of the brokers allow traders to use MT4 or MT5 to trade. But aside that, some of them also have their custom platforms that they give out for their clients to use to trade. Okay. Now, today I am going to talk about only MT4 and MT5. So how do you get MT4 or MT5? Now, if you want an MT4 or MT5 on your laptop, then I'm going to show you how to get it. But if you need it on your phone, you may just have to go to your Play Store or your Apple Store and search for MetaTrader 4 or MT4 or MetaTrader 5 or MT5. Then you can download it straight up onto your mobile phone. So that settles that with the version of mobile. So if you want the mobile version, just go to your Android Play Store and download it, or you go to your iOS, which is your Apple Store, and download it. The MT4, MT5 platforms are available there. That is with the mobile version. Now, with the laptop version, how do you get it? Now, let me show you how to get the laptop version. All right. So let's go. This tutorial is more of practical. Okay. So let's go to that of the laptop or PC version. Now, with the PC version, this is what you need to do. Let's see what you need to do. With a PC version, this is what you need to do. So let's look at it. So with a PC version, all you need to do is head straight to your web browser. And then on your web browser, just search for a new tab. Okay. Then you type in MT4. If you need the MT4, you type in MT4 or MetaTrader 4, whichever you will type. So MT4 download. Okay. Then you enter. Now, there are adverts. This is an ad showing you a platform where you can download MT4 or MT5. So this is coming from a broker. Now, let me explain this quickly. There are also brokers that customize the MT4 with their branding, with their logos. So you might download an MT4 that is coming from a broker known as maybe XM, or you might download an MT4 or MT5 that is coming from a different broker. Maybe, for instance, this broker, let's look at the brokers. We have so many brokers and they are the same MT4. They customize the MT4 with their logos or their brand. They make it look like their branding. They brand it on their own. Branding doesn't actually change the MT4 or MT5. Is that okay? I want you to get this clear. So you can download an MT4 or MT5 from any platform, okay, or any broker. You can do that. Now, this is MT4 download. Let's look at which platform it is or website it is. This is from MetaQuotes. So this is the official website of MetaQuotes, the company that actually do what? Designed or did design this platforms. So this is their official website where you can download them. So download MetaTrader 5. You can download it. So download MetaTrader 4 for PC. It's also here. And then they have download MetaTrader 4 for iPhone, iPad, and the rest. It's also here. And then MetaTrader for Android. You can download from here if you want the Android version. You can do that. And then also download MetaTrader 4 for Android and trade anywhere in the world. So that is also there. So these are the versions you can download from the mother company that actually designed these platforms. So like I said earlier, if it is the mobile version that you need, you can just download the mobile version from your Play Store. If it is an Android or an iPhone, just go head straight to the Play Store and download it. But if it's a laptop version, then you need to come and then get it from the laptop or your PC. You just type in MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. If you come to the official website here, you get all of them at once at the same place. So you get all of them at the same place. If you need MetaTrader 4, this is for PC. So they specify download MetaTrader 4 for PC and even create a demo account. We'll come to that. But here we are talking about how to just download it. And then we have download MetaTrader 5. So you can download either the 4 or the 5 from the official website of MetaQuotes. Aside that, if you have a broker, you know a broker's name, you can download their MetaTrader 4. And that is still the same. It's just the customization that you see it's different. The logo and the branding that might seem different, but it is the same software. Do you get it? So today we have just looked at what we call the platforms that we use in trading Forex. And today we've learned that we have 3 main platforms, okay? We have 3 main platforms. That is the MT4, the MT5, and then also we have customized platforms by brokers. But let me make the difference clear here. We have customized MT4, which has been changed with features, just the logo. That is different from a designed platform by a broker. Let me take it again for your understanding. What I mean here is that we have, if it is the MT4 or MT5 that has been customized by a certain broker, that is not a different platform. Then it means you are still using the same MT4. So supposing I download MT4 from this company known as XM, the branding of the MT4 is going to look XM colors. But then that doesn't mean that it is a different platform. It is still the MT4. It's just the branding that has changed. Do you get it? But we also have custom platforms that are designed from scratch to finish by brokers. That one is also different. So I don't want you to get it too conflicting. We have MT4 or MT5 that has been recustomized, maybe in terms of the branding, has been recustomized with some colors. That is different. That is still the MT4. It hasn't changed the name MT4. It's still MT4 or it's still MT5. And then we have platforms which are not like MT4 or MT5. They are new platforms which have been developed by the brokers themselves. So do you get the difference now? Good. I'm happy you are getting the difference. Now, this is where I will end this video. Now, once you download the MT4, MT5, in our next video, we're going to look at the features, okay? In our next video, we'll look at the features, right? The features of MT4 or MT5. We'll look at the features. But today, we've just looked at the MT4 or the MT5 as a platform, which can be used to trade, all right? But in our next video, we'll look at the features of MT4 or MT5. Is that okay? So if you love what you've seen right now, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Or if you're watching us on Facebook, subscribe to, or just like the Facebook page. Just like our page so that we will post more new videos soon and you'll be the first to see it. I want you to be the first to see our new video, either on YouTube or Facebook. So if you're on Facebook, just like our Facebook page. If you're on YouTube, just subscribe to our YouTube page so that our next video, you will be able to see it. If you like this video, you can share it. Please share it to other colleagues, okay? Share it with other friends and let them also get this knowledge. It's very powerful. We are on a journey to learn or to know what Forex trading is all about. So I'll need your patience, okay? So have time with me, and I'm sure before we end this tutorial, you'll be good to go in terms of Forex. Thank you. My name once again is Kofi, your admin of Leading Forex. So if you're watching from the YouTube, subscribe. If you're watching from Facebook, please like the Facebook page. I'll see you in our next video, which is going to be the features of the MT4 platform or the MT5 platform. Thank you for watching. I will see you in our next video. Take care. And I will say that, bye-bye.